Have you ever thought about how we smell? Like how our noses remember smells and how we know when something smells good or bad? I hope to shed some light, or should I say aromas, on these questions in this video. Did you know that research carried out by scientists in the US suggests that our noses might be able to detect as many as 1 trillion different smells? Inside our noses we have olfactory sensory neurons, about 400 of them, which allow us to sense smells. Scent molecules are transported to these neurons from the air, and then our brain processes and encodes the smell as a memory. These stored scent memories allow us to identify a smell later on. So our noses have a whole library of pongs that mean that you can easily distinguish between cut grass and a donut. Pretty cool, hey? In the wild, animals use their sense of smell to find food, avoid danger, and even find themselves a mate too. And to some degree, this is still synonymous with you and I now. Our sense of smell is less acute than other animals. We have less olfactory receptors, but our sense of smell is still pretty impressive. And did you know that every 30 to 60 days, our scent cells are renewed? Smell is the only sensory set of nerves from the brain that can regenerate in this way. Another interesting fact about smell is that women have a better sense of smell than men. Yeah, I hate how gendered this fact is too, but it has been proven in many tests over and over. It's thought to be linked with the brain structure. Female brains have evolved to be more comprehensively developed in the orbital prefrontal region, and this is thought to be due to, well, sniffing out a good partner. We sniff out our partners through pheromones, and in order to choose a good mate that will bond well with our children, it may be more important for a woman to have this enhanced level of scent detection. You know the idiom, follow your nose? Well, each of us emit these chemicals known as pheromones, which are actually a huge part of attraction. So what are pheromones? Well, we all have this smell, our own unique scent marker. It's like a fingerprint in the respect that no two people smell exactly the same. Although identical twins might, because even dogs can't smell them apart. And dogs have 44 times more scent cells than humans, hence why sniffer dogs exist and not sniffer humans. In fact, animals rely more heavily on their sense of smell than us, and so their odour detection powers are much more advanced. Animals like dogs are typically 2 to 3 times better at smelling than us. More of their brain capacity is dedicated to this particular sense, so it makes sense. Literally. And a lot of common smells that we smell are complex too. For example, a combination of hundreds of different odours create the smell that we identify as coffee. It's why flavours and perfumes and wines and well all sorts of things have notes and layers of scent to them. Lots of different components make up each smell. I guess it's like how we are made up of lots of cells and DNA. So hopefully you now understand a little more about how we smell things. Your nose is a pretty clever little thing. If you like this video, you might also like this earthy smelling video on the left. And if that doesn't smell appealing, then maybe something a little sweeter on the right.